Hello students and welcome to DAV Moyle Public School. Let's begin an online session of Standard 7th Mathematics with your teacher Mrs. Vandana Ghagre. Dear students, today we will start the new lesson, that is exponents and powers. And in this lesson today we will going to see what is the exponential form of a rational numbers.
In the previous session, what we have learned? We have learned about the different operations on rational number. And today, with the new lesson exponents and power, we will see what is called the exponents of a rational number.
If you remember, in the previous standard, you have learned about the powers or exponents of the integer. Integer means whether it is a positive numbers or negative number, doesn't matter. But it is a simple natural number. So here, one example for you. 4 raised to square 2. 4 square it is, or 4 raised to power 2. So the power number is known as the exponent or power, both names of same number. And here the one which is at the base is called the base. So here 4 square means 4 raised to 2. 4 is the base and 2 is the power or exponent. See the second example now. Minus 5 raised to 3. Minus 5 raised to 3 means what? Minus 5. Minus 5 is the base and 3 is the power. Minus 5 is the base and 3 is the power, that is exponents. In the same way, we will take the exponents and rational numbers and their exponent. So see here, this number is 4 upon 3 raised to the power 3. So here, this is the base. 4 upon 3 is the base and this is the power. This is what? It is the power of the number. In the second example also, if you will see, minus 3 upon 5. So minus 3 upon 5 is the base and 6 is the power. 6 is the power of the number. In the third example also, if you will see, 6 upon 7 is the base, whether it is a positive or negative, the base is base only, and the number which is on the top, that is power, is known as the exponents also. So this is called exponents or power. So in this way, we can recognize whether the number is at the base or at the exponents. So 4 upon 3, minus 3 by 5, 6 upon 7 are the bases and 3, 6, 4 are the exponents respectively. So let's study more about the numbers with the base as rational numbers and the exponents as an
simple
integer.
multiplication of a rational number in the form of exponential form. Exponential form means whenever we are write the number in the power form, that form is known as the exponential form. So here the number is what? The number is 3 by 8 into 3 by 8 into 3 by 8 into 3 by 8 and into 3 by 8. So here that number we will write as how many times 3 by 8? See here, 3 by 8 is how many times? 3 by 8 is 5 times. 3 by 8 is 5 times. So this number we will write as 3 upon 8 whole raised to the power 5. Whole raised to the power 5. So here if you will see, the base is what? Base is 3 upon 8 and the exponent is what? Exponent is 5. That is the power and the base is 3 upon 8. Now in the next example, if you will see, minus 2 upon 3 is how many times? Minus 2 upon 3 is 3 times. So what we will write? We will write this minus 2 upon 3 raised to the power 3. So here the exponent is what? 3, and the base is what? Minus 2 upon 3. So base is minus 2 upon 3 and exponent is 3. So this type of writing the number is called the exponential form of a number. What it is called? It is called the exponential form of a number. In the next example, we will see if the numbers are given in the exponential form, how to write as a rational number. Means opposite of just now what we have studied. So here the first example is 5 upon 7, this raised to the power 3. So this is one time. First you write one time, and then this is second time, and then this is third time. Why? Because the base is what? 5 by 7 and the power is 3. And that's why we have to write 5 by 7 3 times. Now numerator multiply and denominator multiply, because in the last lesson just now we have studied how to multiply the rational numbers. So we are aware how to multiply the rational numbers. So 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 equals to 5 cube. How many times it is in the exponential form? It is 3 times. So what we will write it again, it is as a 5 raised to the power 3. Now 5 raised to the power 3 means what? 5 5s are 25 and 25 5s are 125. So the answer is what? 125. Now the denominator is what? 7 7s are 49. And 49 into 7 means what? 343. So in this way we will convert 5 by 7 into the 125 upon 343, that is rational number. Same way the next one, minus 3 upon 4, minus 3 upon 4 raised to the power 4. So how many times we will write? We will write it as 4 times. Minus 3 4 times upon minus 4 4 times. So this gives you minus 3 raised to 4 and 4 raised to 4. So this gives you 4 raised to 4 means what? 256, and minus 3 raised to 4 means what? 81. So in this way we can convert the rational number in the form of exponential form and the rational number in its original form. So from the above example, we can conclude that if p upon q is a rational number and m is any positive integer, means it is a power. M is nothing but the power, that is called the exponent. So p upon q whole raised to m we will write as p raised to m, q raised to m. Now let's write, this number is given in the exponential form. No, we have to write this number in the exponential form. So let's take the number 8 upon 20, 125. 8 is what? 8 equals to 2 into 2 into 2. We have to find the prime factors. And 125 equals to what? 125 equals to 5 into 5 into 5. So we will write now this number in the original form, that is rational number form. 8 upon 125 equals to 2 into 2 into 2, already we have formed, and 5 into 5 into 5. How many times 2? 3 times. How many times 5? 3 times. So we will write this number as 2 upon 5 raised to the power 3. So in this way we can convert the number in the exponential form. See the second example now. Minus 144 upon 169. What is here? 144 is nothing but the square of 12, or you can also find out the factors. So here it is minus 12 into 12 and 169 is 13 into 13. So it is nothing but the minus 12 upon 13 whole raised to square. We can write the minus sign outside the bracket also. Okay. So in this way we can convert the rational number in the exponential form. So dear students, today we have learnt about how to write the number in the exponential form, how to recognize whether the base is what and exponent is what. So here is a small assignment for you. Try to do this assignment in your notebook. See here, you have to express these rational numbers in the form of P by Q. Already the exponential form is given. And then the fourth one, you have to express as a powers of a rational numbers, means you have to express this in the exponential form. In what form? In the exponential form. Thank you dear students. Have a nice day.